Okay, here is a sample writing assignment number 2, which is similar to the actual writing assignment number 2 in Math for Teachers 2. All right, starting with problem number 1 is this. An advertisement stated that television sets are on sale at B&G Electronics. The sale prices are as follows. 13-inch set, $147.99. A 19-inch set, $201.95. 21-inch set, $231.99. 27-inch set, $299.97, and a 50-inch set for $502.97. Estimate the approximate number of 19-inch sets that can be bought for $1,637. Now, here we're just estimating here. All right, now let's estimate this amount of $1,637. And I'm going to round this to the nearest hundred. So that means the 6 is in the hundreds place, the 3 is right behind it. That's less than 5. So I'm just going to say approximately $1,600. And now the 19-inch set has a price of $201.95. So the 19-inch set is priced at $201.95. Let's say if I round that out to the nearest hundred, that would be approximately $200. That'd be approximately $200 for the 19-inch set. And then we can estimate how many 19-inch sets that can be bought. So in this case here, I'll just divide this estimate by that estimate here. So the number of 19-inch sets would be this. Take the $1,600, that's the estimate, divide that by the $200. And that would give us 8. So the approximate number of 19-inch sets that can be bought for $1,637 would be about 8. So with the money that we have here, with this amount, we can buy approximately 8 19-inch sets. Okay, so that's problem number 1. All right, here's number 2. Convert 0.55 with the bar on top to a fraction in simplest form. Use a method of converting a repeating decimal to a fraction located in your student notes and discussed in the YouTube video for section 7-3. Okay, so I did some examples in the YouTube video for section 7.3 dealing with repeating decimals. Okay, and I gave you a procedure for converting from a repeating decimal to a fraction in the form of A over B. That should be in your student notes. All right, 0.55, and it's repeating. Actually, there's only one number repeating. If you look at it, it's just a 5. Okay, so that means this 0.555 with 3 dots showing that the 5 repeats. Now, the way we set this up, we have to let n equal to this decimal part, 0.555 with dots there. Now, there's only one digit that repeats, and that's only the 5. So we're going to be multiplying this by a power of 10. So if one digit repeats, you multiply by 10. If 2 digits repeat, you multiply, or 2 different digits repeat. If you have a pattern of 2 digits that are repeating, you multiply by 100, or a pattern of 3 digits repeating, multiply by 1,000, and so on. But he only got 1 digit repeating, that's the 5. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. And what's going to happen here, this will be 10n. And then when I multiply by 10, I move the decimal point one place to the right, so it'll be 5.555, repeating like this. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the 10n equaling to 5.555, repeating. Now I'm going to subtract that from what n is equal to here. Your n is that equation, 0.555, repeating. I'm going to subtract those two equations together. So notice on the right side when I do that, the repeating part is gone. Now on the left side, 10n minus a 1n is going to be 9n. That's equal to 5 minus 0 would be 5. Again, the repeating part is gone. So I have 9n is equal to 5. And then divide both sides by 9. That will mean n is equal to 5/9. So that means 0.55 repeating as a fraction in simplest form will be 5/9. Okay, so that should assist you with completing the second writing assignment in Math for Teachers 2, the actual second writing assignment. Make sure that you do give a detailed explanation on both of these problems and explain it in a way that someone who has never seen this before would understand it, okay? So don't just do the math. Also, you have to do the explanation because 15 points of your writing assignment is just on math. The other 10 points is providing a detailed explanation of how you completed that problem, and you have to explain it in a way to someone who's never seen it before, okay? Reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns about the assignment.